Meta just launched an AI image generator, watched it faceplant, and killed it in under a week. I tested Muse Image before it vanished, and honestly, Meta made the right call. But the reason it failed is the exact thing you need to check before trusting any AI tool with your work. Stick around, because this affects what you're using right now. Quick context. Muse Image was Meta's new standalone AI image generator, pitched as image generation built for your world, meaning it was supposed to personalize outputs using your context, your style, your social graph. It launched around July 9th. By today, July 14th, Meta has publicly admitted it missed the mark and pulled it. That's a 5-day lifespan for a flagship product from a $3 trillion company. So what actually went wrong? I got hands-on before the shutdown, and here's the honest read. The personalization angle, the whole selling point, was the weakest part. Instead of learning my style, it kept injecting generic, Instagram-flavored aesthetics into everything. I asked for a clean product mockup and got something that looked like a 2023 filter preset. Prompt adherence was noticeably behind the competition, where Midjourney or GPT-4o's image tools nail a detailed multi-element prompt maybe 8 times out of 10, Muse was landing closer to 5. Text rendering inside images, table stakes in 2026, was garbled more often than not. And the built-for-your-world framing raised immediate privacy questions, personalized from what data, exactly? Users asked. Meta's answers were fuzzy. That combination, mediocre output plus data anxiety, is fatal for an image tool, because switching costs are basically zero. If your generator disappoints twice, you're back in Midjourney by lunch. Here's my verdict on who this mattered for. If you're a casual user making memes and social posts inside Meta's apps, you lost nothing. The built-in Meta AI tools still exist. If you're a professional designer, marketer, content creator, Muse Image was never for you, and its death proves the point. It launched without an API, without commercial licensing clarity, and without output quality that beats free alternatives. The people actually burned are anyone who spent last week building templates or workflows around it. 5 days of work, gone. That's the real lesson, and it's bigger than Meta. Let's do the math on why this keeps happening. By my count, major AI labs have launched and killed or paused at least a dozen consumer tools in 18 months. If a tool has roughly a 1 in 4 chance of being sunset within a year, and you've built workflows on 4 different AI tools, statistically, one of them is going away. So here's your actionable takeaway for today: run a tool audit. List every AI tool in your workflow, and for each one ask 3 questions. 1. Can I export everything: prompts, presets, outputs? 2. Does a comparable alternative exist that I could switch to in under an hour? 3. Does the company charge me money for it? Paid tools with revenue attached survive, free experiments get culled. Muse Image failed all 3. 20 minutes of auditing today saves you a week of panic later. Bottom line, Muse Image's 5-day death isn't a Meta embarrassment story, it's a warning about building on tools that haven't earned your trust yet. Meta actually deserves some credit for killing it fast instead of letting it rot. Subscribe for daily AI intel. I test this stuff so you don't waste your money or your time. And drop a comment: what tool do you want me to cover next?